Welcome back to this tutorial series on open science and the software source code deposit in HAL and in Software Heritage. You have made it. This is the final chapter, chapter 7. In this chapter, we will look behind the scenes into the moderation process. So stay and see what happens to your deposit when it's deposited on HAL. So I'm going to show you in a hidden part of the application that's only visible for moderators how it looks. I'm going to the list of items that should be moderated. I can see only the software deposits. Here I have all the metadata available to me, and I'm going to check as a moderator if the authors are compatible with the authors file in the code. So I'm going to look into the authors file and I will see that there are many authors and not all of these authors are on the forum. So I will start a conversation with the contributor of the deposit, choosing a predefined reply saying that the metadata is not compatible with the deposited item. There are not enough authors, even if the license and README are compatible with the metadata, which is on the form, and the README has the name the Wonderland app like we can find in the form. The only thing that is missing is some authors that are on the author file but are not in the form. And this is why we will proceed with this reply and start a conversation with the contributor of the deposit. It may take some time to have this exchange, but this will ensure the quality of the metadata that was deposited in the HAL platform. And this is really one of the advantages of using HAL and not just using a self-deposit archive where the metadata is not verified. It can be due to an error, a human error, if someone forgot to put all the names, or it can be that some of the authors are actually contributors and do not need or shouldn't be listed as authors for credit. But this is one of the things that are verified, and verifying the credit is one very important aspect. So now we have done the 7 chapters of this series. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can post the question in a comment below or send it directly to moran@softwareheritage.org. So again, thank you for being here and hope it will be helpful for you when you deposit a software source code artifact.